Now the bumpers are ready for primer. Let's see if we should do some more fiberglass before we prime these ones. I have fiberglass work on these ones. Let's see, this one. I think it's something around here we can have a look at. Hard to see. Something there and there. Maybe it's more when we grind down and look how it looks. What do we have else here? Oh yes, it's the gap over here. What we should do about that. I hope we don't find rust under here, but we will see. At least a bit of rust it is. Yes, they have missed that one. Not the best. I had hoped for not be able to rust repair here. But it is what it is. And the last one. A bit of rust here too. Let's take a closer look here. Little bit of paint damaged, and it's pretty okay there. Here you can see there is something bubbling here. That's maybe why we don't have the perfect fit, because it's getting out of the position. A bit of paint damage there, and a bit of rust too. Rust over here too. Okay. More work than I want to have. I really had hoped for no rust under here, but it is what it is. Just more work. I removed the skirts on the other side too, and let's take a look and see how it looks there. The car looks much better on this side. You have not as much rust at the screws on this side. You have some rust at points, but not as much. And some over here, but overall I think this is pretty good for an old car. And if we look here at the front, something funny is going on here. I think they have replaced the fender from here, or it just cracked. Anyway, it looks like a crack over here. If we remove the inner protection here, we could see if they have replaced part of the fender. I think they have done that. On this side too. I think they have done something. But much more rust on this side. And I really don't know why. Maybe they have driven the car without the skirts. Who knows? Here we have all the parts. Here is the left front skirt. It looks like it's some kind of repair here. Looks like it's polyester. It's just where this crack is. Let's see on the other one. This is the right one that is wobbly. Nothing special. Here's a repair right here. Here we have some cracks. It's a repair. So something has happened even with the rear ones. The rear left one seems to be without any repairs. The left skirt, oh, they look like this. This is a sharp edge. I don't want against the body of the car. It will destroy the paintwork. But this is not repaired at all, I think. This is the right one. Maybe it has some repair here, I think. I think we grind them down a bit and see how the cracks looks. Here you can see the cracks I want to fix. There we have some more cracks. Not more there they are. This is just wobbly. Yes, I think it's like this. Something has happened there too. Now it starts to feel much better. You can see how the layers are wavy and now it's getting flat. The first one. I need to grind down the cracks now. Yesterday I removed the skirts over here and I found some rust on the attachment points. And I think we're going to switch over and look at how much rust there is here and fix that first. Because I want to fixating the skirts as close to the body as possible. And the rust over here is moving the skirt further out. And that's one reason why it doesn't fit that well. I will start by removing the inner fender here and see how much rust there is in this area. And I maybe can see if they have changed part of the fender. Another thing I'm thinking about is the plastic things I have attached the skirts with. If we can get new clips. It's small plastic clips. They are for the front bumper original, but I bought a lots of them and fitted them out all over the car where I have attached the skirt. Maybe we can get new, but where? Do you know where we can get new of this? I will show you if I can get some of this red plastic things I'm looking for. The original is that they are mounted over here. This is not like it should be, like everything else on this car. It normally is fitted right here. This. Right there. So where do I buy this? I need 42 of them. 42 of them. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.